In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery terminal on your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood on the battery. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to remove the cable from the terminal. Set that off to the side. And now we're going to remove the terminal from the battery. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Loosen that up, remove that, put it off the side. And now we're going to install our new terminal. Remove this nut. We're going to install our terminal onto our cable. We'll put the washer on, and then the nut. I'll tighten that down in a minute. Place it onto the battery, get this thing started. Now we're going to tighten this down onto the battery. Once you feel like you're pretty snug and it's not moving around, you can tighten your cable to the terminal. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.